guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is basically going to be me brushing my hair because I posted a photo on my Instagram of like the result of me brushing my hair, and I thought, you know what, that'd be really funny to put in a video. So yeah, that's basically what this video is. I'm going to sit here and try and comb through my hair using, I believe this is an afro comb, but I find it works the best like how long the bristles are. Now, don't be alarmed at how much hair comes out because I have plenty, and also I don't brush my hair very often, so I only brush my hair dry when I haven't done it in a while, and it's meant to be better for your hair when you brush it dry rather than wet, because normally I would load it with conditioner and just brush it in the shower, but that being said, I don't really do that. I just basically I brush my hair when it's too knotty to brush with my fingers, and that's when I'm like, okay, it's time to get these knots out. But today I'm just brushing it for fun, basically, to show you guys the incredible result of what happens when you brush out curls. It is something else. Like, I would never do this if I wasn't just about to wash it, just because it's not workable at all. So yeah, to be fair, my hair isn't too knotty because I brushed it like just over a week ago, so it's doing all right, but sometimes it is. I'm going to finger brush it first, just because it's easier to get the fingers through, because I don't want to rip my hair, you know, just with a normal hairbrush, and I hate the sound of it, so I like to nicely and carefully just run my fingers through it, and so much hair is going to come out, like, I don't know if you guys can see how much hair that is, but it's a lot. So I'm just going to make a little pile of my hair over here, and we can see how much comes out. But my hair like looks a different colour when I brush it to how it is curly. You can start to see it fluffing up now. This is like still early days in the brushing routine, but it's so dark at the top, and then where I've had it like balayaged, it like gets so much lighter at the bottom. Right, I'm going to speed this pod up so you guys aren't going to get super bored, because this does take me a while. This is the finished result of what happens when I comb my hair. Now, if I use a finer brush, the result is even bigger, you can imagine, but this is just nicer on my hair. I find a comb is just easier to deal with. Like a proper like bristle brush or things like that, they just hurt my hair, and I hear it rip and it breaks my heart. But to be fair, I didn't actually lose that much hair. Normally the ball is a lot bigger, like this is quite, if I roll it together, it's not too bad. Normally it's like twice this, so doing good. I think that means my hair was just less knotty this time around, which can happen, but yeah. Little hair ball. My parents hate it when I leave hair lying around, so I always roll it into a ball so I can throw it away. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing what happens when us curly girls brush their hair, but yeah, it's definitely a frizzy situation. It is impressive how fluffy it can go. Like, every curl just wants to stick on top of the other curl, and it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, but I guess that's the perk of having curly hair, one of them. But I wouldn't want straight hair. I like the fact that I can have really nice curly hair that are natural curls, and you can't achieve natural curls. You can get curly hair, but it's a look that I feel like it's quite hard to replicate, whereas I can straighten my hair and have straight hair. So no, I wouldn't want straight hair, but I would love to be able to just brush my hair and look like I'm, you know, ready for the day. I am envious of that, but instead I brush my hair and I look like a relative of Hagrid's, but I mean, it's not a terrible look. It's not my best look, but you know. But anyway, that's today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed watching me brush my hair. I'll link on my social media in the description box down below, but this is just out there to all the curly hair chicks like me who get asked, why don't you just brush your hair? Well, I hope this answers the question without me having to. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.